Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify for personal care and hygiene business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip this if you want, so I'm gonna skip all this and let's continue. Now you can choose an account. After this, you're gonna wait a few seconds for creating the store and creating your account. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store here and go to the themes. So you can change your themes and customize them on your homepage store. You can select any theme you want. So you can select any theme from here you want. For example, I'm gonna just keep this theme. Just click add and wait to install the theme, and after this you can publish it and customize it. Now for example you can click here and it will take you to your homepage store. So this is your homepage, your section. So here we have the styles. You can change this, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. So here we have the settings where you can design your site if you want. So here we have first, you have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. Also you can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on to change announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcement. So here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something. I'm gonna select all collections like this. So now let's get back and let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile logo position and the spacing. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So here you can edit the same settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here you can change this, the card type. If you want to put your social media links, you can put here your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Personal care and hygiene logo. So for example, I'm gonna choose this or this. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. You can explore from free images. You can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner. So here you have two images. So for example, the first image you can select it just from the browser, and the second image you can select it from the free from your library or free image. So for example, let's choose this just for example. The first image from here, and the second image you can select it from. You can explore it from free image library. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. Also you can change desktop content alignment. You can change the animations, the image behavior. You can change the mobile content alignment. Here you can show this on stock image on mobile. You can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Personal care and hygiene. You can describe more if you want. This is just for example. So now you can choose one of these suggestions here. Here you can change the heading size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So the buttons here, you can change the first button label, you can change the first button link, also here you can use outline button style, you can change the second button label and second button link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, so the feature collection. So here you can generate the text, the heading, just describe what this text is about. Also here personal care, and hygiene. You can describe whatever you want, you can describe more. This is just for me. So here you can change the heading size, also the description. You can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Here you can show collection description from the admin, you can change the description style, also you can change the collection or remove it. You can make product full width. Here if you want to enable view all if collection has more product than shown, you can change that to view all style. You can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can change the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. You can show second image on hover. Also you can show vendor, you can show product rating. Here you can enable quick add button, and also you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. For example, image banner or slideshow or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So the footer section here, you can change the color scheme, you can change the image sign up, you can show image sign up. Here you can enable follow on shop, you can show social media icons, and also you can enable country and region selector. So that's it. After you're done from designing a website, all you have to do is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard. So in the dashboard you can go to the home, and for example you can now name your store after you add your first product and customize your online store. Now you can name it, just click here and here, type any name you want about your business. You can add your store phone, also you can add your store email or change it. So that's it. Now let's save this, and now all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. And for example you can pick a plan. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store on Shopify for personal care and hygiene business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.